Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can make animated grid background for our editing using CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application. And first of all, you need to download grid background from the internet. Here I have downloaded a grid background from Pinterest and I'm going to add it to my project. Okay, and then I'm just going to rotate it to fit the screen. Right guys, I'm going to rotate it like this to make it landscape, just like that. And I'm going to add animation to this background. If we want to add animation, we can go to the effect and then you're going to search for the ripples effect. Just type in ripples and then you can choose this one and you can add this effect to your background like this, and you can adjust the ripples effect right here. You can adjust the blur, twist, strength, and you can adjust it according to your needs. And I'm just going to leave it like that, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create animated grid background for our editing in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!